What's up, everybody? Today I got a 2009 Infinity M35X, and we're gonna be doing front brakes. So I already got the wheel off here, and it looks like we're going to need a 14 millimeter for our caliper bolts here and there. So we're gonna go ahead and knock those loose, and I'll go ahead and get my brake tool out and show you how to compress these pistons and these calipers. Now we're going to get out our clips here. That's what those will look like. That's our bottom one there. So now if we look down in here, you can see there isn't a whole lot of rust built up in there. Looks relatively clean. So we should be safe with putting our clips in there. Okay, and we will put our upper one in here. I'll make sure that that's firmly pressed in there all the way, particularly right here in the center. Okay, that's in place. And we're just going to stick our pads in here. Like so. Okay. And next, we're going to put our caliper on. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust this camera so you can have a better view here. And we'll go on just like so. Get our top bolt in. And get our bottom one started. Okay, and the only thing left to do is tighten up those two bolts. You always want to tighten them up equally. At least I try to. There we go. That should about solve our issue. All right, if this helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know I'll be back with some more. Catch you on the next one. Okay, now we're going to compress our pistons here. And there is a tool made specifically for the dual piston calipers. It's just that I can accomplish the same thing with the one that I have. So, not a big deal. We're just going to press that in. Customer did not want to change his caliper, so hopefully he'll get a little more life out of it. We're just going to push that all the way in there like that. This tool you can buy at AutoZone. It's about 10 bucks. It is an OEM tool. And that is it. The piston looks like it's compressed all the way. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. That should be it. Okay, next, we're going to be putting our pads back in here. So let me grab these pads. I'll be right back. And that's what that'll look like. And we got one more down here at the bottom. And our caliper just come off and slide it towards you. Okay, looks like our pads on this side have a little bit of life. The other side's a little further worn down. And looks like our slides are good. They're moving, twisting back and forth. Excellent. So, get your pads out of here. It's just a matter of pulling them out. These ought to just come right out of here relatively easily. If they don't, then usually you'll have a buildup of rust behind these clips right here. You're going to have to take these clips out and clean out all of the rust that's up in behind here. Alrighty, so our next job is to compress the pistons in the caliper here. It should be these two right here. You can see this caliper's got a slight tear in the boot here. So we have to call him and see if he wants to replace it or not. But we're going to go ahead and compress it for the time being and get this ready to put back together.